Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Before watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay guys, I want to read some article in investing.com. Not applying information technology goodness by Repairman Kiawan Securitas. The Indonesia Stock Exchange has imposed a written reprimand to PT Kiawan Securitas Indonesia for not fully implementing the provisions of the operational information technology governance guidelines for the brokerage office system members of the stock exchange and the provision of internal control related to information technology consistently, citing an official statement from the stock exchange regulator on Friday, 9/9/2022, that the sanctions were imposed based on the result of the stock exchange and as mentioned. To note, the exchange member with the trading code AG has a USA margin online securities brokerage licenses with the latest MKBD IDR 218.32 billion. Meanwhile, the transaction fell in the last report, namely July 2022, was valued at 1.979 trillion. The Indonesia Stock Exchange has imposed a written reprimand to PT-Q1 Sekuritas Indonesia for not fully implementing the provision of the Operational Information Technology governance guidelines for the brokerage office system members of the stock exchange and the provision of internal control related to information technology consistently, citing an official statement from the stock exchange regulator on Friday that the sanctions were imposed based on the result of the stock exchange as mentioned. To note, the exchange member with the trading code AG has a user margin online securities brokerage licenses with the latest MKBD MKBDIDR 218.32 billion. Meanwhile, the transaction fell in the last report, namely July 2022, was valued at 1.979 trillion rupiah. The Indonesian Stock Exchange has imposed a written reprimand to PT Kiwan Sekuritas Indonesia for not fully implementing the provision of the Operational Information Technology governance guidelines for the brokerage office system members of the stock exchange and the provision of internal control related to information technology consistently. Citing an official statement from the stock exchange regulator on Friday, 9/9/2022, that the sanctions were imposed based on the result of the stock exchange as mentioned. To note, exchange member with their trading code AG has a user margin online securities brokerage licenses with the latest MKDB IDR 218.32 billion. Meanwhile, the transaction value in the latest report, namely July 2022, was valued at 1.979 trillion rupiah. The Indonesian Stock Exchange has imposed a written reprimand to PT Kiwan Sekuritas Indonesia for not fully implementing the provision of the Operational Information Technology Governance Guidelines for the brokerage office system members of the stock exchange and the provisions of internal control related to information technology consistently, citing an official statement from the stock exchange regulator on Friday. 9/9/2022, that the sanctions were imposed based on the result of the stock exchange as mentioned. To note, the exchange member with the trading code AG has a user margin online securities brokerage licenses with the latest MKBD IDR 218.32 billion. Okay guys, maybe that's all from me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you.